Have you ever had the opportunity to go and watch a presentation where the person who was presenting just lit the room up? Don't know what it was about them. It might have been their style, it might have been their content, it just might have been the message they're conveying, but they lit the room up. But I bet you've also been to a presentation where the person only lit up the room when they when they finished. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name's Brad Waldron. I run a workshop called Naked Presenting. It's a workshop that's designed to take you from whatever position you're in right now and to make you a much more effective and compelling presenter. Because I happen to think the last unfair advantage in business these days is you and your way to engage and interact with the people that you're working with. You know, if you've got to that point where you're tendering and you're down to the last 2 or maybe even 3, and price is pretty similar, service is pretty similar, the product offering is kind of similar. So what's the differentiator of those 3? Often I've found, being on a panel where people are making decisions, it's the person that stands up and sells me that story. And to do that, we want to see everyone more naked than normal in order to be more effective. Now, when I say naked, it's not a case of, here I come, let me take it off. It's a case of how do you be the best possible you? Because that's the person that people buy, the best possible you. The biggest phobia I find in the business world today, don't know about you, but I happen to think it's being able to stand up and talk. It's something you do quite naturally when you're at barbecues or when you're out socializing. However, when it comes to business, I find that people just go to pieces on it. One of the biggest catchphrases I hear, just before people present, I go to them, listen, how do you feel about what you're about to present? And they go, well, I just want to get through it. I don't know about you. Is that an experience you've had? Sometimes I get that feeling too, but I know that if I start from the point of view of I just want to get through it, I'm not going to deliver my best. So being naked is about being authentic and just being able to be yourself. Perhaps be you, but bigger you, if that makes sort of sense. We're going to address some really simple issues on these workshops. Number 1, how do you get your confidence? Number 2, how do we plan and prepare a presentation in a way that feels effortless? Rather than being drowning in data and knowledge, how do we pull out the insight to make it a really compelling story? We're going to also deal with the way to be able to open a presentation, the way to close it in a way that's impactful, memorable. A good friend of mine says, how do I have a motorway moment? So that at the end of the day, someone's driving home from a conference where you've been speaking, or from your team talks, and they've gone, gee whiz, that had such profound impact on me. That's what we'll create in this workshop. And we're going to use some great tools. We're going to use some world-class presentational skills. We're going to have a look at what is the best that theatre has to offer to us as not natural actors, but to be the best possible presenter. We're going to use some skills from behavioral science, and on top of that, we're going to have a look at what we can use in our own personal development to grow more, to be more impactful. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to offer you Naked Presenting, and I'd love to see you there.